inquiry as to whether I expected to be paid and asked me did I think the defense could afford to pay me, something to that effect. Do they have the money to pay for an expert? And I made the comment, because I've said earlier that I have received approximately $11,000, that I do need to be compensated for my time because I don't work for a university. I don't have the backup of having funds provided by the university, a university or another organization to cover my salary. So it's my only source of income.
Now, we've talked about how propofol can be used to anesthetize an individual so that they have a deep sedation. You can actually do open heart surgery on them. Is that correct?
Well, I think you mean anesthetize or anesthetize, but deep sedation is not the same as anesthesia.
What's the difference?
Well, when a patient is anesthetized, you're providing not only unconsciousness or hypnosis, but you're also providing analgesia or relief of pain and typically muscle relaxation. So it's sort of a triad. Whereas when you're providing deep sedation, again, the sedation is one component of general anesthesia, but not the entire spectrum unless you give a massive amount, and then you can block pain, response to painful stimuli.
Okay, you've used the term MAC care, M-A-C.
Monitored anesthesia care, yes.
Okay, and can that be used for major surgery, like, say, hip replacement or intra-abdominal surgery?
No, not typically. I'm not, I mean, you may be able to do some procedures minimally invasively that are intracavitary, but certainly not major open procedures as you're suggesting.
Well,
You let me know for purposes of your adjournment, please.
this be fine, Your Honor.
All right. May I see counsel? Take the evening adjournment at this time. Dr. White, with my thanks, please remember all the admonishments. Don't discuss your testimony or the facts of the case with any other witness until we finish the trial. You may step down and leave. I'm going to ask you to come back tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. Thank you, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please bear with me, as always, as I deliver to you the all-important admonishments at the adjournment today. Do not discuss this case among yourselves or with anyone else, or form or express any opinions about the case until it's submitted finally to you. Don't visit any scene or location that may have been referenced, mentioned, or involved in the case. Don't perform the experiments or on your own or through another person conduct any independent research or investigation on any topics, subjects, or persons mentioned or involved in this case. This means not listening to, reading, or watching any television or radio programs, newspaper or magazine articles, books, or the internet regarding any of these topics, subjects, or persons. On your own or through another person, do not access any internet website, including but not limited to any search engine sites such as Google, Ask, or Bing, or social network site, including but not limited to Facebook or MySpace, or text or tweet anything, or access any blogs or post any messages on any of those sites. Do not have any contact or communication whatsoever with the defendant, the attorneys, the witnesses, or spectators. If anyone approaches you or even tries to approach you with regard to this case in an effort to discuss the matter or to provide you with contact information so that at a later point in time you can contact any person or organization regarding this case, immediately cease any such encounter and immediately notify the court staff and security. Do all of you continue to assure us that you will follow the written admonishments presented to you as well as my continuing verbal admonishments? All indicating the affirmative. Now, I am advised by a little birdie that one of your members is celebrating a birthday today. It's actually not a little birdie. It's more like a flock of seagulls who have advised me. So without embarrassing that particular person, have a happy and healthy birthday. We're going to see all of you at 9:30 tomorrow. The sheriff will be advised so you can get a little extra time in the morning. So we'll see you at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. Good evening. Thank you.